Program number 10. Write code to create a series from the given dictionary. This is the dictionary's data is given, means key with value. Dictionaries, you know that key with value both are important. Okay, and key and value are separate from the this column only. So here has written month name, then number of days, total number of days, month name, total number of days, month name, total number of days. If we have a two same keys, then what happened? This data will update it with the latest one. Key is immutable data type, but full dictionary if you are talking, so this is mutable data type. Now how you will solve this type of question? First you have to import module. What is the module name? Pandas as PT. Now next line, this dictionary you will call. So I copy this data, then paste it. Now next line, dictionaries values I have taken. Now what will do? We convert it as a series. So another variable you take it to that series data, you have to store it. Then PD, that means area's name, series SCRIES, series S is capital, always remember that. Then dictionaries, where we have storing which variable? In the D. So this D you should call. Now done. Now call to the print command for displaying the data. Done. PD.series D. Okay, print as 10. Run it. Now see, here key convert it as a index and then value as a value only. So this is the difference between list or tuple from the dictionary. Dictionary's key always convert it as a index value, where in the series. Key convert it as a index value and value should become as a value place only. So this is the question number 10 solution.